Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable CFS in Creality Print. So let's get straight into it. Now, first open Creality Print. Version is good. That is 5 point something. So the newer version um, is highly recommended for CFS support. Then what you're going to do is click on the printer icon gear wheel at in the top left corner to open your printer selection. So right here, so we have it. I have here two system presets. Now choose a printer model that natively support the multi-material system. So in my case is this one, K2 Plus. Is you can also use K1 Max with CFS mode or Creality High, and then what you're going to do is just confirm, and that's basically it. Now the next step is to get information from your CFS unit dynamically. Creality Print needs a live link to your machine, so you will go to Device tab at the top of the slicer, and right here you will scan to add, or you can also put manually into it. So you can put manually IP address of your printer to this slice network. So right here you can add IP. Now once the hardware is online, we need to sync the physical spools directly into your software layout. So you will need to go to your filament section on your prep screen, and what you are going to do is you will auto mapping, and then Creality will automatically map detected filaments to the corresponding filament presets. So we have filament right here at the right side. Now what we can do here, as I said, we need auto mapping, and this is exactly this icon right here at the top, this one, just like so, and yeah, it will do automatically. And after that you just need to import your 3D model, and yeah, you can start printing. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next